today's video, ayan, birthday greetings tayo. Siyempre, gusto ko lang batiin yung boss namin, yung pinaka-humble na broker, pinaka-mabait na broker, at pinaka-pogi, ang Ding-Dong Dantes ng Greatland Realty. Walang iba kundi si Sir Jomar Berha. Happy birthday, boss. Ayan, siyempre, pilit yung pakiwanis ka na ako, pilit yung pakilupa. Pero dahil birthday din yan, sige, pagbigyan ko na. Kaya, boss, may mga gustong bumati sa'yo, kaya eto na sila.
Maya pabak po ako po'y giligit. Ating ko pong greetings kang Boss Jomar Berha. May gigiligit ko kaya ka sir. Sana kita kayo yung personal. Special mention kay mo rin po'y Master B Vlog. Yung pinakamayabang nga vlogger na ni Pampanga. Anyway, happy birthday po kang Boss Jomar. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sir Jomar Berha. More birthdays to come, sir. And
Samasa mo. Happy birthday ang
Happy birthday kaya ka, Boss Jomar Berha. Happy birthday kaya ka, boss. Ingat lagi. God bless.
Hello guys, it's me Papa Pong's Vlog. Ayan. For today's video, buri kayo mo pong i-greet na happy birthday ing metong karing unexpected friends ko na ko nga sabi ne is Sir Jomar Berha. Ayan, happy birthday kay ka bossing. Miras ka pang 365 years old na ako, and wish ko kaya ko no sana alime akalupo kayong pangatwa mo Master B. Ito mimingat lagi bossing, Boss Jomar, sir. And enjoy your day. God bless from Papa Pong's Vlog. Thank you.
Birthday, Sir Jomar. Wish you all the best and God bless.
Birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sir Jomar.
God bless.
God bless. Bye-bye.
Hi Boss Jomar, happy birthday po. I wish you basta po sana po dakal pang blessing in datang kay kayo, and happy birthday po. Sana po dumanas kayo hanggang 700 years. Happy birthday po. I love you.
Happy birthday, Sir Jomar! Thank you for the opportunity to be part of the Greatland family.
Happy birthday, Sir Jomar. Wishing you all the best in your life and God bless. We love you.
Happy birthday, bossing. Thank you. Happy birthday po.
Hi, Sir Jomar! Happy birthday! Sana dakal pang data ng blessings kaya ka. Enjoy your day!
Hi, boss. Happy birthday. Sana many more birthdays to come. Good health.
Happy birthday, Papa! Boss Jomar! We love you! Bye!
Happy birthday, Boss Jomar. More blessings to come.
Happy birthday, Pali Boss.
Happy birthday, gang pinakamagandang at pinakamasipag bing broker, Sir Jomar. Sana pagpatuloy mo pa rin yung pagiging blessing mo ka rin kakilala mong tao. At sana i-bless na kapalalo mo yung kay Babo. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday, Sir Jomar.
Happy birthday, Boss Jones. We wish you all the best because you are the best.
happiest birthday, Boss Jomar. Enjoy your day. God bless.